Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm just going to show you, well first I'm just going to show you a couple things I got from Ulta today and a couple other days. So first I got the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I got the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. They were both on sale for $14 at Ulta. So yeah, I got both of them while they were on sale. They're usually $20, I want to say, which isn't, much, but when it's on sale, just want to get it. So the second thing I got is some Makeup Revolution Banana Deep baking powder. And I also went to Walmart and got a couple things. I didn't get a lot, but I did get a couple things. So first things first, I got a mechanical eyelash curler. That's what it says on the front, y'all. Mechanical eyelash curler. It's just a regular eyelash curler. I also got some Fit Me in the color medium deep, and it's just the loose finishing powder. I also got some wipes to clean my face with, like when the day is over and I just wanna I actually went and got the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. It's from light to medium, and I just got it in my shade. And this one is just contour, sculpt, and illuminate. And it was about $3 or $4. The Fit Me was about $6 or $7. The Makeup Revolution was $8, I believe. And they actually had a deal going on at Ulta. I just didn't want to get a lot of Makeup Revolution because I've never tried it before. So I also got the BH Cosmetics brush set, the Middle Rose 11-piece brush set, and it comes with the cosmetic bag. It was about $28, and I've been wanting to get it for a while. I just made my mind up today and went ahead and got it. I got the Black Radiance Dewy Setting Spray, and it was about $6 or $7. Yeah, I'm not good with prices right now. Like the BH Cosmetics brush set was $28, but with tax and everything, it came out to be like $30. I got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color almond, and this is my first time trying this, so we'll see how that goes. Hey you guys, so I'm back and I have my brows already done. I forgot to show you guys that I got some Fenty Beauty, well, one of the Fenty Beauty things off her line. One of my friends, Shabria, bought it for me. She's been wanting me to get it, y'all, for the longest, okay? So I got it because she wanted me to. It's the Trophy Wife highlighter. Y'all, it is beautiful. Like, okay, you can see it now. Oh my god, I love it. Thanks, Bria. Now we have that crease set. I'm gonna get ready and go back in with my Warrior palette. And I'm going to go in with the Dahomey. Y'all, that's the name of it, Dahomey. With this one right here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So we're done with that eyeshadow look, and I'm really like loving it right now. I don't have any lashes on, y'all, so excuse me for looking like a baby squirrel. But now we're getting ready to go in with that foundation, and I already put my Maybelline Prime Master, the hydrating Prime Master, and I went in with my Baby Skin. That is full coverage. Get you some of this mix in there like swimwear, okay? Now I'm getting ready to go in with my concealer. I'm just gonna put that under my eye. Up. Wow, you do me like this on the camera. Okay, so now we're going in with the Fenty highlighter, and I'm just gonna use my little cheap little fan highlighter brush I got from the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna pick some up with that. So now I'm gonna go in and put some of my hydrating oil lip gloss on. So now we're gonna go in with the Cream of Nature contour palette. So I'm back, and this is the finished look when I put my lashes on. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and join the gang. Join the mafia. I'm with the gang. Come with the gang. But anyway, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and that's all. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.